In previous video, we discussed about the expression for activities of various types of electrolytes. We has been derived the derivation for activities of the electrolyte. So the derivation becomes equal to activity, it is equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, gamma plus minus raised to x plus y. So this is the general expression for the activity of the electrolyte. Now let us apply this expression to the particular electrolyte. This expression activity, it is equal to x raised to x into y raised to y into m raised to x plus y and gamma plus minus raised to x plus y. So the first type of the electrolyte, it is univalent type of the electrolyte. Univalent means the cation is 1 and the valency of the cation is 1, or this type of the electrolyte is also called as 1s1 type of the electrolyte. So consider the univalent electrolyte hydrogen chloride or sodium chloride. So hydrogen chloride dissociates as H plus and Cl minus. So this is a univalent type of the electrolyte because the valency of the cation is 1 and the cation is also 1. Similarly, the valency of the anion is 1 and the number of the anion is equal to 1. So in this electrolyte, x it is equal to 1 and y it is equal to 1. X it is the number of the cation and y it is the number of the anion. So for this electrolyte now, the expression for the activity becomes equal to. So we can write here activity, it is equal to x raised to x into y raised to y. This derivation is known to us, m raised to x plus y and gamma plus minus raised to x plus y. So here x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So you can see 1 raised to 1 into 1 raised to 1, m raised to 1 plus 1, gamma plus minus raised to 1 plus 1. So this is m square into gamma plus minus square, or m into gamma plus minus bracket square. So the derivation for activity of univalent electrolyte, it is m square into gamma plus minus square, or m into gamma plus minus bracket square. So this is the expression for the univalent or 1s1 type of the electrolyte. Second type of the electrolyte, it is unibivalent. Second type of the electrolyte, it is unibivalent type of the electrolyte. So what do you mean by unibivalent? Cation is 1 but valency of the cation is 2. Unibivalent means cation is 1 but valency of the cation is 2. For example, Zn2 plus. So valency of the cation is 2, that is it is bivalent, and cation, number of cation becomes equal to 1. So x it is equal to 1 here, and valency of the cation it is 2. This type of the electrolyte, it is also 1s2 type. 1s2 type because number of cations equal to 1 and number of anions are equal to 2, or number of cations equal to 1 and valency of the cation is 2. So it is 1s2 type. Or the another the same type of the electrolyte belongs to this, it is biunivalent. So let us consider first unibivalent electrolyte. Unibivalent electrolyte. So the example, it is ZnCl2. It is unibivalent. Unibivalent electrolyte. So ZnCl2, it is a unibivalent type of the electrolyte or 1s2 type of the electrolyte. So this zinc chloride undergoes dissociation as Zn2 plus and 2Cl minus. So this is a 1s2 type of the electrolyte. Cation is 1 and anions are 2. Or valency of the cation is 2, but cation is 1. So it is 1s2 type. So in this case, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. You can see here x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So the activity coefficient is given by the expression for the activity becomes equal to according to this formula, according to this equation. So x raised to x, 1 raised to 1, y raised to y, 2 raised to 2, m raised to x plus y, 1 plus 2, gamma plus minus raised to 1 plus 2. So it is 4 into m cube into gamma plus minus raised to cube. So this is the expression for unibivalent type of the electrolyte or 1s2 type of the electrolyte. The example it is ZnCl2. Now let us consider biunivalent type of the electrolyte. Biunivalent type of the electrolyte. Biunivalent type of the electrolyte. The electrolyte it is biunivalent. So this is the electrolyte also belongs to the type 2s1 type. 2s1 type. And the example of this electrolyte it is sodium sulfate. So this electrolyte it is dissociated as 2 sodium ions and 1 sulfate ion. So in this case x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Hence this is the electrolyte 2s1 type, 2 cations 1 anion. And it is biunivalent, means 2 cations are there and valency of the cation is 1. So it is biunivalent. So for this electrolyte, the derivation of the activity becomes equal to. So let us write down the expression activity A equal to x raised to x, y raised to y, m raised to x plus y, and activity coefficient gamma plus minus raised to x plus y. So activity A it is equal to x raised to x, 1 raised to 1, 1 raised to 1 here, m raised to x plus y, that is 2 plus 1, and gamma plus minus raised to 2 plus 1. So therefore we can write here activity is equal to m cube into gamma plus minus raised to cube. Now here y it is equal to 2, x it is equal to 2, so 2 raised to 2 here. So it is 4 into m cube gamma plus minus raised to cube. So the expression for the activity of the electrolyte it is 4 m cube into gamma cube. So for biunivalent or unibivalent, the expression for the activity is same. That is 1s2 type of the electrolyte, and example it is ZnCl2. It is a unibivalent type of the electrolyte. Valency of the cation is 2 and cation is 1. So both types of the electrolytes are having the same expression for the activity. Same expression for the activity. Now the third type of the electrolyte, it is unitrivalent, that is 1s2 type, or triunivalent, that is 3s1 type of the electrolyte. So let us consider the example of unitrivalent type of the electrolyte. Unitrivalent type of the electrolyte. This is third type of the electrolyte, that is unitrivalent. Unitrivalent type of the electrolyte, and this is also 1s2 type of the electrolyte. So the example it is unitrivalent. So we have to take the example here, aluminum trichloride. So this electrolyte, it is dissociated as aluminum 3 plus ion and 3 chloride ions. So here X equal to 1 and Y equal to 3. So it is 1s2 3 type of the electrolyte, and it is unitrivalent. Cation is 1 but valency of the cation is 3. Cation is 1 but valency of the cation is 3 here. So let us derive the derivation for the activity of the electrolyte. So activity equal to x raised to x, y raised to y into m raised to x plus y into gamma plus minus raised to x plus y. So we can write here the activity, it is equal to x, it is equal to 1, so 1 raised to 1. Then y equal to 3 here, so it is 3 raised to 3. M raised to 1 plus 3 and gamma plus minus raised to 1 plus 3. So it is equal to 27 into m raised to 4 into gamma plus minus raised to 4. So this is the expression for the activity of the electrolyte of the type unitrivalent, that is 1s2 3 type. Now let us take the example of the electrolyte triunivalent type of the electrolyte. Triunivalent type of the electrolyte, that is 3s2 1 type. 3s2 1 type. So the example of this electrolyte, it is Na3PO4 sodium phosphate. So it is dissociated as 3 sodium ions and PO4 3 minus ion, phosphate ion. So in this case x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. Number of cations are equal to 3 and number of anion it is equal to 1. Hence this electrolyte is also called as 3s2 1 type or triunivalent. 3 cations are there but valency of the cation is only 1. It is univalent. So for this type of the electrolyte, the expression for the activity A, it is equal to x raised to x 3 raised to 3, y raised to y 1 raised to 1, m raised to 3 plus 1, and the activity coefficient gamma plus minus raised to 3 plus 1. So derivation for the activity of the electrolyte A, it is equal to 27 m raised to 4 into gamma plus minus raised to 4. So this is the expression for the activity of the electrolyte. So for unitrivalent or triunivalent, we are getting here the same expression for the electrolyte. Thus we derive the derivation for the electrolyte univalent. Univalent. So example, it is HCl, and the expression for the activity it is equal to m square into gamma square or gamma plus minus square. For unibivalent or biunivalent type of the electrolyte, unibivalent, that is example, it is ZnCl2, it is unibivalent type of the electrolyte. So the expression for the activity, it is equal to A, it is equal to 4 into m cube into gamma plus minus raised to cube. The similar equation for biunivalent type of the electrolyte. And last one, it is unitrivalent or triunivalent type of the electrolyte. Unitrivalent. So the expression for the electrolyte activity A, it is equal to 27 m raised to 4, 27 multiplied by m raised to 4 into gamma plus minus raised to 4. Thus in this way we derive the derivation for various types of the electrolyte. First we derive the derivation for univalent electrolyte, that is 1s2 1 type of the electrolyte, and the derivation becomes equal to activity, it is equal to m square into gamma square. For unibivalent type of the electrolyte or biunivalent type of the electrolyte, the expression for the activity, it is equal to A equal to 4m cube gamma cube. And for unitrivalent or triunivalent type of the electrolyte, the expression for the activity of the electrolyte, activity A, it is equal to 27 m raised to 4 into gamma raised to 4.